Hello everyone, welcome to DC Minds. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to see two more operators. One is called assignment or shorthand operator, and there are these many shorthand operators. Another operator is called conditional operator. So let's see shorthand operators. So we have basically in here we have example int a equal to 5. So what we are doing, we are assigning a value 5 to this variable a. So this equal to is nothing but assignment operator. So basically it is used to assign a value. So now in some situation we want to perform operation like this, like we want to add some value to this variable a. So we can write a equal to a plus 2. So we want to write here 2, add here 2. So here what will happen, a will be added with 2, and then value that additional value will be uh, assigned here. So this will become, actually a will become 7. So instead of writing this expression like this, we can write this operation, this expression this way also: a plus equal to 2, which is nothing but a equal to a plus 2. Similarly, instead of writing like this, a equal to a minus 2, we can write like this also: a minus equal to 2. So this equation and this equation both are same. Similarly, here also we can write this equation like this: a equal to a into 2. Instead of this, we can write a into equal to 2. Similarly, here also we can write instead of writing equation like this, we can write this way, and same way instead of writing equation like this, we can write. So this is the short way to write. That's why we called shorthand operators. And let's see another operator, that is nothing but conditional or ternary operator. So why do we call this as ternary operator? We are calling this as ternary operator because what will happen, um, it is having two operators, and it will have three operands, means three equation it will have. So we'll see that later. So here you have question mark and colon. So the syntax of this conditional operator is like this. So there will be some equation, like this equation can be condition, so there will be some condition, and suppose if this condition is true, then this expression will get executed. If this condition is false, then this expression will get executed. So why we are calling this as conditional is because based on some condition, uh, there will be some different operation will be happening, and it is ternary because we have three operands here. You can see 1 2 3 and two operator, that's why it's called ternary. So let's see an example here. So now we have a situation here. So we have a we have two variables a and b, and we have another variable b, and we want to we want to find which is greater between a and b. So in that case, what we can do here, we can use this conditional or ternary operator. So what we can do is we can write the condition like this: a is greater than b, question mark a colon b. What this means is that, suppose if this condition is true, then what will happen, value of this a will get assigned to big, or if this condition is false, then this colon is indicates that this value of b will get written to big. So in this case here, a is greater than b, means 5 is greater than b, it is false. So what will happen, this value of b, since this condition is false, the value of b will be written to big, so b will be holding the value of 7. So this is how this ternary operators are used. So another, let's take another example here. So now we want to print which one is greater. So we can write a condition like this: if a is greater, then question mark, and print a is greater, otherwise b is greater. So what will happen, you will check this condition, and in this case here this condition is false, so what will happen, b is greater will get printed. So this is how ternary operator. So this ternary operator is similar to this if else that we have already learned in some previous lecture. So we can this ternary operator can also be written like this: if a is greater than b, then write b equal to a, else write b equal to b. So but then why we need a ternary operator instead? We have already if statements. So it has been claimed that ternary operator as bit uh, performance wise it is good, so it is will give good performance in terms of time, so that's why ternary operator are used. So, and one more important thing that we must take into consideration is like we can uh, nest the operators. Basically, what do I mean by this is, suppose you have the syntax of ternary operator is like this: condition, expression, and then expression two, expression one, expression two. So here this expression one in turn can also be a another ternary, or expression two can also be another ternary. So what do I mean by this example? Let's take an example. So suppose we have an variable here 3, and we want to check if this variable is in the range of 0 and 5. So what will happen, initially we can have a condition here: a is greater than 0. Okay, so a is greater than, so what will happen in this case, a is greater than 0, then for this condition is true. So what was there, if condition is true, what will happen, this expression will get executed as we know. So now this condition, what will happen, now again this equation will get executed. So in this equation also there is another ternary. So here what we are doing is we are checking if a is less than 5. Okay, yeah, 3 is less than 5, then what will happen, this will become true. So this in turn, this expression 1 in turn is another ternary, you can see from here to till here. So this is another ternary of operate means operation means conditional statement. So you can nest it. So in this case it will check whether it is in the range of this 0 and 5. So if you, in this case actually this expression one can, you can represent like this: age less than, and printer means still here to here it is. So this you must keep in mind that you can nest the ternary operators. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other video to understand other C programming concept.